Welcome to Master cPanel series tutorial. Our today's topic is import table from .sql exported file in phpmyadmin in live cPanel database. To do that, let's go to phpmyadmin inside your cPanel. Click on the database where you want to import your table and click on import and choose file from your computer. I already exported in my F directory from another database, that is user.sql, and just click on user.sql and go. It's successfully imported. You will see this kind of messages. Then see inside your database you have two tables. One is customers, another one is users. Click users, the data and the structure properly incorporated. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please press on like button and subscribe our channel for future update. Thank you very much.